everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain this hierarchical inheritance. I have finished this single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Now, I'll write a program. I'll show you the program for the hierarchical inheritance. See, when one class, you can see this one base class is derived, one base class is derived by more than one subclasses, you can say. So class A is a base class, class B, class C, and class D, these are the derived classes. So B, C, and D all are accessing class A. So more than one derived class accessing one base class is hierarchical inheritance. You can see this multiple classes. Okay, here this class public A, and public A. So that B is accessing, C is also accessing same class, and D is also accessing same class here. So here A is a parent class, B, C, and D are the child classes which access the data from A. So this is the syntax for hierarchical inheritance. Now see the program for hierarchical inheritance. Let's start with this. I'll create a class. So first of all, I'll write iostream class student. I'll declare this roll number and name of the student. So protected modifier integer r and make it character n for the name. We'll put the size. We have to write member function. So I'll write here void get student. Void get student. This is used for the input. Okay, so we'll write here cout roll number. So roll number cin, okay, r cout name. Okay, we'll provide input name. Now we'll have a method for display function. I just write here show student and we'll display that. So write here roll number r then name this is n. Okay, so this is the opening bracket of this class, right? This is ending bracket, opening bracket of member function, opening bracket of this member function. Put the semicolon here. Now I'll just write here class science. Okay, so I'll take class science which will inherit that student public student I'll make it private, not necessary. You can write it. I'll write here physics and chemistry marks, right? So I'll just write variable, for example, integer. For physics, P I'll write here. For chemistry, I'll write here C and put the member function public void get science. Okay, these are the two inputs. So enter physics marks and enter chemistry marks. So I can write here P, I can write here C. For the display, I just write here white show signs. So physics marks. Just write here P, and for the chemistry, chemistry marks. This is C. Okay. One more thing, I can call this function, this one get student and show students within this, right? So here I can call this get student within get science. So student, you can see this get student I can call here, and also I can call this show student show students, right? Now again, this is the end of this class. Put the semicolon. Now I'll just write another class commerce, which also derived from this previous class student public student. I'll write subjects marks just like a previous question. I can see here. I'll declare the member functions. Okay. One for the account subjects, then statistics subjects. Okay. Put this member function right within this public section. So public void get commerce, just like a previous, right? Subject marks. So here account marks, accounts, statistics. So this is account and this is statistics. We have to display this marks also, right? So just like right here, white, show commerce, display the marks. So this is account and this is statistics. Now again this class has been completed, commerce class, and this is the end of the class. Put the semicolon here. Now just like a previous member functions, I can call these two, right? So student as well as this class also. I'll just write here for both the classes because student is common for both science as well as the commerce, right? So I can write here get student. Okay, and show student. Okay, now go to the main function, int main, create the class object of both the classes, science, and for commerce both, commerce. Okay, and you can call, I just write here cout, enter the details of science students. So k dot get science. Same thing, I can write the details for this commerce students. Commerce students. This is get commerce. So it will be m dot, right? M dot get commerce. Now we have to display the right. So information of science students. So cout students. K dot show science. Same thing for the commerce students. M dot show commerce, right? And just write down here return 0. Okay, now just compile class student, science access from student, and commerce will access data from the student class. Okay, here the data will be displayed separately. Hierarchical inheritance. Okay, using namespace std. Now the program is compiled. I'll just okay. Now I'll run this program. Roll number, enter the name, enter the physics marks, 45, chemistry marks 56, enter the detail of commerce student. Okay, for example, roll number is 110. Okay, enter the name, account marks, for example, 67, statistics marks, for example, 78. Okay, you can see this, all the information are displayed. So this is example for this hierarchical inheritance. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.